What you're sitting in right now is our primary cultivation and processing facility located in Quincy, Florida. It's just under 80,000 square feet, and it's a building within a building. And so we control every environmental aspect of our cultivation and processing facility, and we chose to go indoor because it does allow us a higher level of those specific controls. Being in Florida, and especially in Northwest Florida, we have large swings in weather conditions and of course very high humidity. And so we wanted to have a facility where we could really play Mother Nature to the nth degree.
We do not use pesticides, fungicides, herbicides. We don't use any of that. We have a very aggressive natural pest management program that includes predatory insects. It includes peroxide and diluted alcohol, things that are clean, that have no bad effects on anybody if any amount of it got into our medicine. And we do a very rigorous clinical testing on all of our products that leave here that certify that there is none of that in our products.
From there, our plants go into the drying room and they're dried for a certain number of days. And then from there, it really depends, it kind of breaks off. It depends on what the final product is meant for that particular harvest.
Strains is a genetic incarnation of a plant. Each strain is unique, but strains are developed by crossing one strain with another strain to get a different strain or that has different characteristics of each of the parent plant. So a cannabinoid is a molecule that is part of cannabis, okay? It's also part of other things. There's cannabinoids inside your body called the endocannabinoid system. There's two main parts of the cannabis plant that's useful for medicine. One of them is cannabinoids and the other one is terpenes. Like you hear, two major categories, indica and sativa. They have different terpene profiles and somewhat different cannabinoid profiles. Appetite control, rest management, indica is better. On the other side, the sativa is better if you want to stay active, okay, and it gives you very good pain management as well. Hybrids in the middle. Hybrid is used as our workhorse for most of what we do in our highly refined oils.
We have a couple of products that are flower-based products that are vaporized, or the second classification of products would be an oil-based extracted products, which is the vast majority of our products here in Florida. Those plants that are being used for those products go into an extraction process. It's an ethanol-based extraction process here, what's called clean oil, and that is what goes into our capsules and our tinctures. That end product, that end oil, retains some of the plant matter, and so it retains a number of the terpenes and other specific properties that are beneficial for our patients. The second run goes into our syringes, and so that's a more refined oil. And you'll notice that our syringe product is a relatively clear looking product, and so that's going to be a more refined product, kind of starting to narrow down on those specific cannabinoid profiles. Then the final process is a fractional distillation process, and that is if we are making vape cartridges. So of course, anything that you're taking in through your lungs, we want to make sure is the most refined and pure as possible. The capsule that you get today is going to be the same as the capsule that you get 2 months from now. And we take a high pride in making sure that our products are tested, that those results are verified, and that the patient has access and knows exactly what type of product they're getting. You know, when you're getting product through Trulieve or any of the licensed dispensing organizations, it comes with a physician recommendation. You are getting specific advice and consultation from a physician who has a certain amount of training with respect to medical cannabis in your particular condition. So I think that, you know, when you look at that as a holistic approach to the medical nature of cannabis, it's very different than what someone may experience by going through the black market.